Okay, so this is a trace table question where you have to go through this algorithm, which is obviously in a flowchart, and then write all the input and output on this table. So this flowchart starts with two variables. We've got number sales, which is where 0 is assigned to that, and we've got total where 0 again is assigned to that. So what we have to do over here is under number sale, we have to enter 0 over here, and then total is also 0. And the next thing is input sale value. So we have to check the data that we've been given. The first one is 5.50. Okay, so under sale value, over here we will write 5.50. Okay, and the next thing is we need to see if the sale value, which is 5.50 at the moment, does that equal to 0? And obviously it doesn't. So what we have to do is we have to go to the process next, where we are incrementing the number sales, okay, by 1. So number sale at the moment is 0, and when we add 1 to it, it becomes about 1. And then we have to add sale value, which is 5.50, to the total, which is 0 at the moment. Okay, so total becomes 5.50. Then we go back to the input again. So we input the next data, which is 3.40. So sale value becomes 3.40. Okay, and then again we check whether it's 0. It's not, because it's 3.40. And then we increment number sales by 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, and then total plus sale value. So we add 5.50 and 3.40 together, and that becomes 8.90. Okay, and then we go back to sale value again, which is 6.25. So this becomes 6.25 over here. And then again, does that equal to 0? No, it doesn't. So we increment the number sales by 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, and then we add the sale value and the total together. So these two together, which makes which adds up to 15.15. Okay, and then we go back to input sale value again. This time it's 3.85. Okay, so we write over here 3.85. Okay, again, this does not equal to 0. So we increment 3. We add 1 to the 3, which becomes 4, and then we add total and sales value again. Okay, and this time it becomes 19. Okay, and then we go back to input sale value again. Now this time it's negative or minus 11. So we put minus 11 over here. Okay, and we then check whether it equals to 0. It doesn't. So we increment the sales value, number sales by 1, which becomes 5, and then we have 19 minus 11, which is 8. Okay, and then we go back to input sale value. Now this time around it's 0. Okay, so we put 0 over here, and the next one is sale value 0. And this time around it is. So instead of going down, we go to our right hand side, and then we work at the average. So total, which at the moment is 8, divided by number sales, which is 5, and that is 1.6. Okay, and then we output the message. Okay, now because we have a string over here, we need to output exactly how it's written. Okay, so oops, not this. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, and then paste this over here. So average sale value, and then we've got this comma, which means it's concatenating the variable called average, and in average we've got 1.6 saved. Okay, so average sale 1.6, and that is it. That's the completed trace table.